Hello everyone, how you doing? It is very happy to see you again into another video and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'd like to share you how and another tips to do the video editing through the Capcut. And make sure that you have already installed it from your device from the Play Store or App Store. And this is the look of the home page, and let's get started into the new project. So I will start it off with pick one another video from my device. Well, I will choose it from my gallery. So to make it this video editing smoothly or run smoothly, please I strongly recommend you to scan the device first and also delete the junk file or data cache that is not used anymore and just become a junk for and actually it makes your processor run really heavy. So if you do that, the remove to scan and also delete the data cache of or the junk file, it will create more space for your processor to do the heavy work. And I will choose this video from my gallery and I will add it to my. It will take you a while. And this is the look when you already upload it into your project. And let's get started. Let's say I would like to delete the background. As you can see here, behind this woman is the little grocery store, and I would love to change into another color maybe. So what to do is I will click this clip until the menu here is changed. I will scroll it to the left and I will choose the remove BG. And if you are not or if you don't purchase the Capcut into the upgraded version, then you can choose the custom removal. And to make it faster to remove the background, I will click the auto remove and remove. And there you go. This is the look when you already remove the background, and I will apply it. And I will also mute this clip and I will remove the watermark. You can click this watermark and delete. And let's say if you would like to add some text for this video, I'm sorry, I will go back to the background. Let's say I will change the background into the color or another color. Then I will slide this menu to the left and click background. And let's say I will choose the color of yellow. And this is the look. Or if you would like to change with another stuff, you can click another random section and click this image. And let's say I will choose this one and apply it. There you go. This is the look. You already removed the background. And let's say you would like to add text for this video. Then I will click randomly on section and I will scroll it a little bit to the right and click text to add the text and click this. And let's say I will try to type let's go. And this CapCut also provides you another template for this font. Let's say I will choose the end here and apply it to my text. And this is the look. And let's say I will apply it. And also if you find this text, it's like a disappear, don't worry, then you can click this text and then it's also already show here, and you can resize it, and you can place or replace it into the another section for this video. Well guys, you can also put this text for the certain duration. How to do it? So I will click this text layer and I will hold it and I will move it to the, let's say, in the second of 2, and here the text will be shown in the second 2. Or you can also place it in the entire video so it will show up in the full video. Then you can just move this section to the left, and move this section to the right. And also you can expand with your 2 finger to expand and to minimize the look so it can be more detailed to edit. Expand it, click, and I will drag this to the right. And let's play the video. And let's say on the last one, I will choose the filter for this video. I will click this clip and I will choose the filter. It gives you some effect and it can be shown really interesting. Let's say I will choose the live here and I will choose this one. And then you can also adjust it and apply it. And let's play. And if you feel enough and you would like to post it on your social media, then you can export it. It will give you a second, depends on the duration of your video and also the how much complex and effect that you already put on it. That's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, don't forget to put it on the comment down below, and please follow us and subscribe our channel to know more about the another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye bye.